Just a quick update from the previous vlog. You can now see that I've added more relays for testing here. So the door lock and unlock relays are now separated and they toggle. And I've also added a start-stop sequence, so starting and stopping. So what happens there is it turns on the power, so accessory and ignition, and then cranks the starter for a few seconds. That crank time will be adjustable for your vehicle later on, much later on, but for my testing purposes I'll just figure out what's best for my situation and set that, but usually a few seconds crank would be fine. So show that again. And then, accessory and ignition stay on while you're driving, and when you want to stop the car, you simply cut power to those, which would cut power to the ECU and all the fuel injector control and stuff like that, so therefore stopping the engine. I tidied up auto lock as well, so you can see now we just get a nice clean message: auto lock timer started and auto lock timer disabled. I should really rename that auto lock timer enabled instead of started, but anyway. You'll see when I disconnect, we start getting a countdown in the serial monitor, and it will automatically lock. Cool. I do need to make these toggles invisible when you're not connected. It's a really easy thing to fix, but something that I need to change, because you shouldn't really be able to change these settings until you're actually connected. But yeah. And that's also another thing that I need to figure out, is when I connect sometimes it automatically triggers that particular function. I think it really depends where the timer is at that point in time, because it doesn't always do it, as you can see. So I need to figure out some way around that timer bug there. But ultimately it wouldn't be that big of a deal. It would simply just lock your doors again, which in any case you could just then go and toggle them to be unlocked, so not really a problem. And the reset option, apart from that start button, which I just realized I need to hide, still works. And there we go, back to needing to be set up again. I will just try and go into the Bluetooth preferences here, and as you can see it's renamed back to NeverKey. So we could go ahead and set that up again, which we already did in a previous video, so I won't bore you. But yeah, the starting and stopping is sort of in place, and I need to test it, but theoretically that would work. And also I need to attach this little voltage sensor to the door switch. There's a switch which basically tells you the physical position of the lock, whether it's locked or unlocked. And I could send that information back to the Arduino and then send that over to the app, so when you open the app you'd know whether the door was locked or unlocked. Because maybe you locked it in the app and then physically unlocked it, and then that change would need to be represented in the app, otherwise it would just send the wrong thing sometimes. So yep, we want like real-time updating, which is why we also need to add a sensor. And why not? We're doing this properly, so we have it be two-way. Anyway, that's all I have for now. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you share with anyone who you think might be interested in this, particularly if there's anyone who might be interested in working with me on this. I am not by any means a supernova programmer or anything like that, but I do have what I think to be a cool idea, so if anyone's keen to jump on and assist with this project, maybe we can work together. Other than that, stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.